Hello everyone, I am Sakshi from Upmove Stocks. So today we are going to do stock analysis for Tata Motors. We'll be discussing about one of the most liked stocks of automobile sector, that is Tata Motors. So before we proceed further, I request you to please use our videos only for educational purposes. We are not recommending any buy or sell trade in Tata Motors. So as you can see that Tata Motors has not been able to cross 536 or 550 as the round figure since last 2 months. So we can say that Tata Motors is operating within the specified range of 60 to 70 rupees. Yesterday, a sort of shooting star candle was formed in Tata Motors, which indicates selling pressure at higher levels. So shooting star is a trend reversal candle. Since today's close is below yesterday's close of 490.35, we can say that short-term trend reversal might have occurred in Tata Motors. But today's candle cannot be ignored as it is a hammer candle, which is given a lot of importance in technical analysis. This candle indicates that even though sellers tried to push the prices down, significant buying came in Tata Motors at lower levels, and the buyers were able to dominate the price movement and took it back to near its opening price, which is 491.95. Now, this is again a trend reversal candle. If the confirmation candle of tomorrow closes above the close of today's candle, which is 489.40. Now we'll be coming to general analysis of Tata Motors. So as we know that Tata Motors had given a significant movement in the month of October, it is quite common for any stock to consolidate after such a huge movement. So we can say that Tata Motors in a sort of consolidation stage where it is finding resistance in the range of 524 to 540 and support in the range of 440 to 465. So it's possible that Tata Motors may continue to operate within this region until some positive or negative news comes up, which may help the stock to break the resistance and on the upside or support on the downside. So as we know that Tata Motors is one of the biggest players in the automobile sector, and with the potential of another segment in the form of electric cars opening up for the auto manufacturers, we can say that we might see an increase in company's revenue and profitability. So what should be done in Tata Motors? So since the stock is in a consolidation stage, we are most likely to see selling at resistance and buying at support. So till the time Tata Motors is not closing below the major support level, which is as of now coming out to be 443.10. So the position can be held in medium term. Closings below this price may indicate further weakness in Tata Motors. The short-term support levels can be easily identified on the chart, which are as of now is coming out to be 465. So as we can see that this stock is bouncing from this level again and again. So only recently on 26th November, it went below this price and made a low of 443.10. And on 29th November, after that, it again went up to and is now closing again, sort of, consolidating. So it's possible that Tata Motors may continue to operate within this region. And let's see about tomorrow's candle. So can we be certain about the stock moving upside? So absolutely no. But yes, Tata Motors has been showing some strength since last few months and is still withholding its prices at the upper end despite of strong fall in the stock market from the level of around 18,600 to 16,800. So that was the analysis for Tata Motors stock. We would again request you to please use these videos for educational purposes only. We are not recommending any buy or sell trade in Tata Motors. So thanks for listening. This is Sakshi. Bye-bye. Take care.